right after wrapping the lady into this position, lead her in front of you to your left side, shifting your weight to the left leg. Let go with the right hand, but use the forearm to lead the lady in front of you and around you. Left hand also moves to the left side and it's rather stiffened up in the frame position. Notice that with this move, you should rotate your entire body counterclockwise, keep your left knee slightly bent. Now shifting your weight to the right leg, lead the lady to the right, then rotate your body clockwise to help her to rotate. Shift your weight to the left leg again. This time don't rotate your body, keep facing the audience and tilt the upper body to the left. Bend your left knee a lot, reach with the right leg to the side, then actively pushing off the left leg, shift your weight to the right leg. Right knee is bent right away. Keep your back straight and tilt your upper body to the right, looking at the lady. Keep your hands strong, right hand supports the partner's shoulder blade. This is the final pose of our routine and it should happen during the final music accent during the last sound of the song. Now the lady's perspective, starting after the part that was a repetition. Ladies, a very important change for you. At the end of the repetition, shift your weight to the right leg. Then move in front of the partner, take a step with the left leg. With this step, raise your left hand in front of you, then place it on the man's shoulder. Rotate to end up with your right side to the man, connect your feet but keep your weight on the left leg. Take a step forward with the right leg and rotate, turning your left side to the man, stay on the right leg. Now step forward with the left leg without the rotation, bend your knee, step backward with the right leg. Right knee is bent, left leg is straight and in front of you, direct your hips forward and up and tilt your upper body and head backward, looking at the man. Just to be sure, let's show this from the opposite side as well. Ladies, shift your weight to the right leg, get in front of the man, step, rotate, step, rotate, step forward, bend your knee, step backward, getting into the dip. And this is the final pose of our routine. One more important information, during the dip, don't pull the partner with you, try to stay within your own balance as much as you can. Okay, let's count the last part. Starting after the repetition. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5.